photo shoot. We did this when I was pregnant. I thought it was a lot of fun. So there's a couple different ways that you can make a flower crown. One is you can get wire and wrap it with floral tape to make it green, and then you would use that floral tape and wrap the flowers onto it. I've done that, and that's really nice. It holds and it lasts forever. What I found though living here in the jungle is that there's some really nice vines, and these are the type of vines we find. You can actually strip it of all the leaves and make a basket. That's how you make original baskets, was with these really hardy vines. So what I do is I take these and I manipulate them until they turn into a kind of a circle shape. And so I've done that here, and I don't have to use any kind of tape. I just fold them, weave them under, in and out until it holds its shape, and then I just kind of balance it on top of my head. Some people like it in the front more like a headband, and others like it like a crown. I kind of made this one more as a crown shape. Once I have the basic crown, then I can start adding the flowers to it. And then sometimes I might need to use a little bit of tape to make it on there, floral tape, but usually I can just attach it to it. So I'll work on that. Alright, well I've just finished with the flower crown, and I wanted to, so you can kind of see what I've done. I picked a lot of different flowers to choose from. One thing you might want to note when you're choosing your flowers is to pick ones that are very hardy. So for instance, this is an orchid, this is an anthurium, and this is an alpinia ginger. I also picked a couple of very hardy leaves to go with it. Since I used the vine as the base, I didn't need as much filler in the vine in the actual crown itself. To attach it, I used some of this. It's basically like the wire that you might use on bread. It's just a green wire, you can cut it. This is what florist tape looks like. I didn't actually even use any on this. I also used some double-sided tape for this one, since I couldn't really wrap the sides as I could on this one to hide it. So those are some tools that you might use. There's the double-sided tape, and some regular scissors is all. And I think that's all. And I think it kind of depends on what you want. If you want it real neat and tidy, you can do like all the same. You can have them go in a circle, like a wreath, or you can have them kind of point to the center as I did in this one. I kind of made it look like a kind of a fairy style, like very wild child and jungle girl, because that's kind of what we're going for. And like I said, you can have it go on the forehead, you can have it go on the top of the head, and then to secure it, I'll probably use some bobby pins on the side there, so when we actually take the pictures, so that she can do a little bit more movement. But I'll show you some of the results after that.